I am going to show how a table and a list is organized in Adobe Acrobat. I have a tag document this is created in Word. And if you create a document in Word and you make it accessible and correct there, it should be tagged correctly as a PDF. But it's always a good thing to double check. I haven't auto tagged or anything. I'm just looking at this as is. If you have a document, or if you would like to look at this document, I recommend kind of studying how Acrobat organizes its tables and lists. So we have everything within this table. Everything needs to be nested correctly. So they use T head to separate the header, and then T body to separate the body of information. TR means a table row. TH means a table header. And then the paragraph is used for the actual information. And we see how that is nested. TR header row, they use TH, and TD means a table data cell, just a regular table data cell. Paragraph for the actual information. For a list, L is for list. This is LI for list item. And within a list item, you can have an LBL. An LBL is used to label a bullet, or if you use a number, it would be for a number. And then L body is the information itself. If you ever need to create your own tags and say, do this manually, you can click the three dots in the corner of the panel, click new tag, and then you can select what you need. I want to make a new list. Sure. Click OK. And now we have a new list item. Or you can right click on a tag, click new tag to get to the same thing. Let's say I want a list item. Now I have a new list item. A shortcut, if you say have a list that has 10 items, you would need to click new tag and then select what you need over and over again. So you can right click in for a new tag, enter whatever the last item that you have selected is going to show up, and then you can click enter again. Right click in, enter, enter. And that is kind of a shortcut to get all of your items. If you would like to create a new tag and you don't see it listed, so let's say T head and T body. If we scroll to all the items for a table, you don't see anything such as T head or T body. You can simply type that in and then click OK, and you will have a new tag with whatever you have typed in. Manually creating a list or a table can be a bit tedious. So if you create your document correctly, it should be labeled correctly as we have seen. Or if you auto tag, it should also create your list and tables correctly. So I would recommend keeping lists and tables the way they are to save time, and then change what I need to change by either selecting the text and changing the structure type, or to click and drag over the text and change the structure type as shown in part 1. This is the end of the Prepare for Accessibility series for Acrobat. Thanks for watching.